Hi everyone, welcome to week 13. I hope everyone is doing well. Things are going fine, even enough toilet paper and food and all those other things. And I don't mean to make light of that because I know that life is challenging right now, and I hope everyone is actually doing really well. I've been thinking about everyone. Uh, so this is week 13. We're going to be working on music. Um, So what we're going to do, so week 13, you're going to look at the weekly video, which you're obviously doing now. Then you're going to check out videos in the folder. There's a bunch of different videos of songs that are fun to do with children. Things like Laurie Berkner and Hap Palmer, people like that. I strongly urge you not to rely completely on videos with children. They respond so much better when you are singing. So my challenge to you is to find songs that you're comfortable singing and sing them with children. Singing songs with children is a whole different experience for them. It gets their attention. You can ask them to clean up and they'll ignore you. You can sing clean up, like everybody clean up, clean up. You can make up a tune and they'll listen to you more than they'll listen to you just saying clean up, or you turn on that tape that they hear every day that plays a cleanup song. So really understand how important singing is with children. You're going to read an article called Role of Music in the Classroom. There's a discussion board about the role of music. There's a textbook assignment. There's an assignment teaching children songs, and then you're going to share a YouTube video. So let's get into the week so I can show you everything. Okay, so here is the music video folder. If you go into this folder, you're going to see Laurie Berkner, just some songs that are super fun to do with children. This is a song that it just gives you a different song to sing rather than Happy Birthday. It's called On the Day That You Were Born. There's a book of it. It's just a really cute song. And then there's this learning station. Watch this guy. You've got to watch this video from the learning station. It is hilarious and it will ring in your head for weeks. I mean, you'll be singing chicka chicka boom boom. It's hilarious. Anyways, so and there's some other ones. There's Dr. Jean. You can listen to her do Tootie Ta and Peel Banana. Peel Banana. Gets a little irritating. Again, having videos to back you up is fine, but if you learn the song yourself, the children are going to listen more. So just keep that in mind. Here's the Wisconsin Model Learning Standard for music. If you are taking, I understand that all of you do not have the Wisconsin Model Learning Standards training, and that's absolutely fine. You will get it in Practicum 1. It is one of the competencies for Practicum 1. So I don't have any problem with you not filling that in on a learning experience plan. If you have had Practicum 1, though, it is worth enough points that you're not going to want to skip it because I will take off those points. Okay, so note to self. So if you go into your homework, your week folder for homework, here's the article, The Role of Music, that I mentioned. This is just a discussion board to talk about music. And what I'd like you to do is there's so many articles that talk about music and what music brings into children. Music can be pre-literacy, music can be transitions, music can be fun, music can be many, many things. What I would like you to do, rather than have me find articles, is I want you to look for an article. Find an article that you find interesting that explains why music is important for whatever reason that you think it's important. I want you to attach it, so attach a web link so that we can read it, and summarize a paragraph about what the article says, okay? You're gonna post that on the discussion board, both the link so that I can see the article and the summary of it, and then you're gonna post it. I would like everyone to read at least 3 articles that classmates share. I actually encourage you to read all of them, but you're required to read 3 and make a comment of what you learned from the article, not what the person summarized, but from reading the article, okay? So I hope to find some really good, have you guys find some really good information. There's just a lot out there, and I really feel like music is super important, so I'd like you to really look and dive into that. That's the first discussion board. Then you're going to read chapter 17, and there's a quiz, and that's on music, obviously. Then you're going to teach song. So choose a song. Choose a song that is appropriate to a group of preschoolers. It can be as young as 2, 5, maybe 6. Do not choose a simple nursery rhyme. Like, I don't want to hear Hickory Dickory Dock or some of the ones that everybody traditionally knows. I'd like you to teach something that's kind of a little bit of a novel song. Love Grows. Um, oh my gosh, there's so many. Not Baby Sharks, please. Peanut Butter and Jelly, Sticky, Icky Sticky Bumblebee, whatever it is that you have that you know, okay? Take that song. And in this place right here, okay, you are going to, in this space, you're going to write the words down. So you're going to attach the words in this assignment, okay? Write the words down. You're going to attach them here. This is just describing what you're going to do here in this. So it says, choose a song that's appropriate to teach 3 through 5. It can be 2 through 6. Make sure the song is not a simple nursery rhyme. In this space, please write down the words to the song and turn them in here, okay? This is what you do with the next part of it. In the discussion board, okay, you're going to find, I need you to either find it on YouTube that somebody sings it, doesn't have to be you, okay, so that we get the melody of it, because you can see the words of a song, and if you don't know the melody, you're not going to learn the song. So find somebody singing it, or you can do a video of yourself, or even just an audio of yourself singing it. Children do not know if you have a terrible voice. Children do not have any idea. I have heard when I've observed students, I've heard students that can't carry a tune, and it doesn't matter. Children could care, I could care less. Children could care even less. They don't know that it's not the melody. So, so in this space, in the discussion board, which is this, you are going to post either a link to YouTube so we can actually hear it, or a link to your voice recording where you sing it, doesn't matter to me. And then what I'd like you to do is listen to all of your classmates' songs. This is a great time to build up an arsenal of different ideas of songs. I will take all of the songs and I will print them out for you in one document that you can download onto your computer to keep after you're finished with this class. When you are doing practicums, you will be expected to sing. So this is your opportunity to learn from each other's songs. That's where I've learned all the songs that I know, is just listening to other people. So really listen to what other people know, and let's share some great songs. Okay? So that is what you need to do for week 13. Week 14, we're going to be talking about instruments as we finish up the semester, how you can use instruments in a class. And then week 15 will be your final, which will be an application exam. So you will be asked to apply some of the things that you have learned. No academic tests. So there's no test on the book. The quizzes are the only reading assessments that you get. It's just kind of an overall information, like, do you understand what social studies are? Do you understand what a song that would be appropriate? Do you understand an art project? Do you understand process art? Show me an art process art project, that type of thing. So I've left everything open. If there's anything that closes, just a reminder, it's not intentional. If something closes, let me know so I can open it up again. If you've emailed me in the last 2 days, I've been out of town. So I will get back to you with your emails tomorrow. I'll catch up on all my emails and respond, and I apologize for any kind of lapses. I thought I would have internet where I was, and I was up north and I did not have internet. So I will be getting back to you. I apologize for that. I hope everyone has a fantastic week. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to call me or email me or whatever you need to do so I can help you out, okay? Thank you so much and have a fantastic week.